Cycleworld Corporation is ASEAN's leading manufacturer for structural insulated panels located in Malaysia. We manufacture pre-engineered PUR and PIR insulated panels. Cycleworld has almost 30 years of experience in the manufacture of rigid foam structural panels. We are specialists in cold room construction and insulation experts. We strive to provide our customers with the best experience as well as practice environmental sustainability. Our manufacturing process is completely HCFC-free and ozone-friendly. Our office and factory located on a 5-acre site in Klang, Malaysia comprises of 3 production lines: a fully automated state-of-the-art PIR and PUR production line, a patented IBS modular panel production line, and an insulated roofing production line. One of our production lines, our 33-meter-long fully automated PIR and PUR production line, has a whopping yearly average capacity of 700,000 meters squared, equivalent to almost 100 football fields a year. Our brand Cycleworld panels are high-quality insulated PPGI steel face panels used specifically for the construction of insulated cold rooms, temperature-controlled warehouses, food processing factories, logistics centers, and distribution hubs. Cycleworld is proud to present our patented lightweight industrialized building system, consisting of prefabricated cement fiber board panels that make up modular walls and flooring for the construction of energy-efficient buildings at record-breaking speeds. Our fast-fix insulated roofing is also an easy, lightweight, and quick roofing solution that provides an excellent thermal barrier. Cycleworld is committed to provide high-quality and consistent products. We are an ISO 9001:2015 accredited company and constantly adhere to international and regional standards such as TUV, Serum, and Bomba. Our services are holistic, and we can provide assistance in the design phase, we can supply and install panels in the construction phase, and we can service and maintain new and existing thermal buildings like cold rooms during your project's entire life cycle. Think insulation, think Cycleworld. Contact us today.